Boloy Kurt Ivan V. Club awardee, Kakshi Bronze.
Maayong adlaw, so mauni siya ang ganap sa graduation day sa ako ang senior high school nga anak, May 23, 2025. So very early bird mi diha no, and then nag-decide ni nga mag-ana sa ni sa Starbucks para mag-snacks. After na mo nangapi, nag-snacks is namalik na mi diri sa school niya which is ang Philippine Nikkei Jinkai International School. Mag-start ang ceremony 1:30 PM and ang venue is diri lang sa ilang Friendship Hall sa sulod sa school. So very elegant and bongga pod ang presentation ug ang decoration diri no, and as of the moment is nag-announce na ang mga teachers nga mag-ready na kay anytime magsugod na ang program. So mao ni siya ang mga proudest moment yun sa mga ginikanan nga sama na mo nga mag-graduate na gyud ang amuang anak, and makita na nato no kung asa nagpadulong ang atong mga kahago kakapoy sa pag-adlaw-adlaw nga pagpaningkamot. So, sa kaninga time guys is karon ra gihatag sa amuang program and wala mi kabalo kung naa ba siya award madawat or unsa ba ang iyahang rank sa kini nga graduation day, and di siya sa mga academic awardees. Dako lami kaayo og ngisi ang amahan while gapaso diha uban ang amuang anak. Mixed emotion ang iyang gibati, nag-smile, nagkatawa, nalipay, and at the same time kahilakon. So teary-eyed na si Papa Si diha. And proudest parent nga ni Paso uban ang iyang graduatingan.
We anticipate the journey ahead.
Indeed, today represents the beginning of a new chapter where you
and attorney Jean Marie Lorente.
To our very dynamic school president, Dr. Ines Malyari. It is my distinct honor to present to you the graduating students from grade 12 for this school year 2024-2025. From Accounting, Business and Management, 25 students. From Humanities, Social Sciences, 36 students. From Science, Technology, Engineering and Mathematics, 67 students. I hereby certify that they have satisfactorily completed all the requirements set by PNJTIS, our institution, and the Department of Education, and that they deserve to be awarded the certificate of graduation.
By the power vested in me as the school president of Philippine Nikkei Jinkai International School and with the representation of your school principal, Mrs. Lucia Dioso, that you have satisfactorily completed all the requirements set by our institution, the Philippine Nikkei Jinkai International School, and the Department of Education. I hereby confirm you all as graduates for class 2025. Congratulations.
Thank you so much, Dr. Malyari and Mrs. Asol. Congratulations, dear students. Finally, you are now officially senior high school graduates of Philippine Nikkei Jinkai International School, batch 2024-2025. Distribution of certificates and presentation of awards and medals.
To Mari Rico N, class valedictorian. Boloy Kurt Ivan V. Club awardee, Kakshi Bronze. Certificate of Appreciation is also awarded to Mr. Jose B. Boloy.
And all our guests who are here this afternoon, again, minasang konnichiwa, and thank you for having me here, Ma'am Chen.
Dr. Ines Malyari, retired Judge Antonio Escobar,
2025.
Graduates, please raise your right hand and repeat after me. We, the graduates of 2024 to 2025, solemnly promise to do our best in all fields of endeavor in our limited capacity
as children. Uphold the dignity and honor of the Philippine Nikijingkai International School. We promise to keep its ideals in the spirit of love, truth, and service to mankind. In its name, we pledge our faith and loyalty to our alma mater. So help me God.
Thank you.
Also tribute through their graduation song entitled Augeba Totoshi, to be conducted by Leia Vanessa Cabarrubia Sensei.
Now listen as they sing a tribute song to those who have always been there for them. Graduates, you are the dreamers and doers of tomorrow.
We wish you all the best in your future academic endeavors, and may your success follow you every step of the way. It has really been an honor to host this remarkable occasion. Thank you, and once again, congratulations to you, dear graduates.
May God's guidance and blessings follow you in all your future endeavors. And let us give our warmest applause to the PNJKIS Senior High School graduates, batch 2024-2025.
I am Michelle Gani.
And I am Dennis Pagitan. Hontari, don't forget about the To God be all the praises and glory.